we were doing this project and tightening our braces here, we noticed a bird or some kind of animal has dug through this hole right here, made a significant cavity. So our plan is to fill this with TimberBond and fill it and put braces on it and secure it so that it won't rot anymore. Here is our braces. We're gonna put that across. We fashioned a big washer here. There we go.
TimberBond was developed to effectively mimic all the natural characteristics that are in wood. Its compression strength, its adhesion fiber to fiber, and most importantly, the modulus elasticity, basically to mimic its resistance to bending. So that's what makes this a very effective restorative product versus just filling a hole. TimberBond comes in 2 cartridge sizes. We have the 1500 milliliter cartridge, here the larger one, and we also have the 600 milliliter cartridge size for use with a small handgun. This cartridge, you use a large battery-powered application tool, and it comes in 2 different viscosities. This one is a little bit runnier, less viscous than the green label. But all in all, great application for high-strength epoxy. Thank you very much.